This one is our company hot style camping folding wagon. Yeah, as you can see, it can be folded into a small size like this. This is inner pad. Here we put the inner pad here, and this is the handle strap here. Yes. The whole is dusty cover. Now I'm going to show you how to open it. Okay. Take out this strap and another side strip. Then now take out the dusty cover. Yes. And open it. Now we open the wagon, and this is the appearance you can see. You can have a look at it. It looks very nice. The fabric is made of high quality double layer 600D Oxford, and the frame is steel turbo frame with powder coated finished. So this one is waterproof one. This is push handle. As you can see, the handle. Yeah, the height can be adjusted. And when you don't use it, you can lock it like this. And also the height can be adjusted into other heights like this. You only need to open the lock like this, and then pull it out and lock it. Now you can adjust the height according to your requirements. Yes. It's quite easy. Let us see the wheels. The wheels material is PVC material. It's sturdy enough and can suit all terrains. For sturdy PVC material wheels, as you can see. The wagon's logo and color can be customized into your company logo and your favorite color, as you can see. The logo can be customized, and also the color can be customized too. All of products in our company can be customized into your company requirement. You can take it to have a picnic with your family or your friends. It's quite convenient. And this one only weighs 11 kilograms. And it can be folded into a small size, as you can see. So you can put it in your car easily. So buy it as a gift to your family or your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.